In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to map out a complete buying committee using Clay and Claude. Identifying the right stakeholders is often the hardest part of sales prospecting, but this workflow makes it effortless. Before you begin, you need to make sure that Clay is linked to your Claude account through the connector's settings. This integration allows the AI to look directly at your live data and perform complex analysis on your behalf. Once the connection is active, you can start by providing a specific prompt to analyze your target account. You will tell Claude to look into your Clay account and pull the active employee directory for your target company. The goal here is to let the AI sort through the noise to find the individuals who actually hold the power. You should instruct the model to analyze the staff data and map out the buying committee for your specific product. Clearly define who you are looking for by listing the key roles such as the decision maker, the champion, and the influencer. For example, you might tell Claude to look for executive titles like Vice President of Sales or Chief Revenue Officer for the decision maker role, while focusing on sales operations managers for your internal champions. Do not forget to include procurement or legal as influencers to ensure you cover every angle of the deal. To keep the output clean, you should ask for the results in a clear table format. Specify that you need columns for the committee role, full name, exact job title, and the LinkedIn URL.